The Motorola signature is a bold, ultra premium smartphone, measuring just 7 mm thin and weight is 186 grams. It is remarkably comfortable to hold. Smartphone will be LTPO AMOLED touchscreen display with 6.8 inches screen size and a flat 165 Hz refresh rate. Performance snappy with Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 3nm chipset with a 3.8 GHz Octa-Core CPU. It boasts an IP68 IP69 rating and making it anti-theft tough phone. RAM is 12 and 16 GB and storage 256, 512 GB and 1 TB. Talk about the camera. A versatile triple 50 megapixel camera system. Main Periscope Ultrawide. It delivers natural Pantone-validated colors. Front facing camera will be 50 megapixel. Battery will be 5200 mAh. That's all for now. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.